Hi, it's Sahi and welcome back to HTML and CSS learning tutorials. In our previous tutorial, we saved some basic codes or basic elements in HTML, and in this tutorial, we're going to start taking a look at certain things that we can put in the body of our web page. So let's get started to open your previously saved with Notepad++. Now you can see this is our previously saved page that we saved in previous tutorial and discussed briefly. The first thing that I am going to talk with you in this tutorial is LineBrake, as well as second one is paragraph, and the third one is headers. So if you watch previous lesson, then you probably know about body tag, and we can put anything under these sections that will appear in our web page. So I just gonna put something in between these body tags, such as this is CSS and HTML learning course. Now just click into wait a minute, I'll just make a okay. Now just click into save as and save this file with the name LineBrake and paragraph and header tutorial. You can save according to your requirement or according to your choice. I just save to remember my tutorial list, and then run and launch in Firefox. Now you can see the tag that we written. This is CSS and HTML learning course body tag. Now you can see this is CSS and HTML learning course is shown in the body of the web page or in the front of the web page. So when I typed certain lines in between body types, such as and where and third tutorial, and in next paragraph I'm gonna to write my new web page, and I'm gonna to save these, and after that I just run with Firefox. You can see all the data shown in one line and it's not looking good. So what should we have to do? So go back to your Notepad++, and now the basic of our today's lessons is gonna to start. Basically, the HTML laid different tags to explain each and everything, how to make up or how to show into your web page. So we use break tag to separate each lines, such as I'm gonna to put a break tag which shown with a smaller than tag br, smaller br, and then greater than tag. Here I mentioned the break tag have no ending tag, but you can close it according to your choice. And the next one I just put the break tag again, and again I just put br tag, and then I'm gonna to save and launch with Firefox. Now pretty good, you can see all the lines are shown in separate lines. This is CSS and HTML learning course, and we're in third tutorial, my action learner course, and my new web page. These are 4 different lines or paragraphs that is written in this basic HTML course. Now you can see all the BR tags are used to separate the lines or make a distance between 2 lines. Now I'm going to show you a second thing that I have to show in this lesson, that is paragraph tag. The paragraph shows spaces between different lines, such as Now I'm going to use paragraph tag put together smaller than a sign as well as a p tag and break it in. Then I just close it with the closing tag and making another paragraph p tag and making a closing. I just do that. Okay, so these are two different paragraphs. I just put the data in between these two tags, just like I just copy and paste the above data, and the second paragraph and the third one, as well as a closing tag. Okay, I just put the third line in between this paragraph to show you how they look like. Now I just gonna do save and launch in Firefox. Now you can see the huge difference among the beer tags and paragraph tags. Actually, the beer tags just break the line or make a separate line, but the paragraph will show a separate paragraph or provide a tone of double space or double lines. So this is the paragraph tag. The next thing that I am going to discuss in this tutorial is heading tag. As I previously mentioned, all these tags or anything you want to show into your web page must be written between body tag. So we do all these things under the body tags. Now just take a look at how to actually make headings on the web page. We actually get 6 different kinds of heading by default, such as the h1 with the closing tag h1, h2 with the closing tag. I just put the forward slash, and h3 with the closing tag, and the next one is h4 with the closing tag forward slash h4, and h5 with the closing tag forward slash h5, and the last one h6 also close with the closing h6 tag. So these are the 6 type of headings that we have discussed and that we use in HTML. The first one is the largest heading, such as this is heading 1, and the second one I just put this is heading 2, and then I just put this is heading 3, this is heading 4, this is heading 5, and the last one, this is heading 6. Cool. Now I just save all data and again launch with Firefox. You can see the first heading, this is heading 1 and the largest heading in HTML, and the second one is this is heading 2, smaller than the first heading. Similarly, the third one is smaller than upper two headings, and heading 4 is just more smaller than heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3, and heading 5, and the last one is heading 6, and this is the smallest heading. So I just repeat what we learned in this lesson. This is our previously saved things HTML and head meta title. I explained all this in my previous lessons, and in this tutorial we discussed some tags that I have written in body tag, such as the first one we discussed break tag, that is used to make a distance or make a line or make separate two lines in HTML. And the second tag that we discuss in this tutorial is p tag. The p tags used to separate or make a paragraph in the HTML. And the third thing that we discuss in this tutorial is heading tags that belongs to six headings: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 as well as and H6. The H1 is the biggest heading and the H6 is the smallest heading. So all these tags must be written in between the body tag. So this is the tutorial. Thanks